Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Godot for Noobs, Dynamic Resource Loading, 2024 edition. This tutorial is geared towards complete beginners to Godot, assuming little to no prior programming or game development experience. We'll cover the basics of dynamic resource loading, explaining why it's useful, how to implement it, and provide clear, commented code examples to get you started. What is dynamic resource loading? Imagine building a house with a blueprint. In the world of game development, resources like scenes, textures, sounds, and scripts are like those individual building blocks. Traditional, static, loading *. You're baking all those resources directly into your game during the building process. When you export your game, your game knows exactly what it needs and loads everything up front. This is simple, but it can lead to large game size *. Even if parts of your game are only used in specific levels or under rare circumstances, they're still included in the final game package. Slow initial load time *. Loading everything upfront can make your game take a long time to start. Inflexibility *. Adding new content after the game is released requires updates to the entire game. Dynamic resource loading *. Instead of